Today, I will be show you how to get voice chat on Roblox. To do this, first open your Roblox and tap on three dot icon in the corner. Scroll down and tap on settings. And now tap on account info. Scroll down and verify your age with your ID. After that, go back and tap on privacy and content restrictions. Tap on communication. Now tap on experience chat and make sure this option is enabled. After turn on this option, go back and tap on voice data uses and enable this option. After doing this process, go back and play any game. Now you can see the voice chat option here. Just tap on this microphone option and enable the voice chat. Thank you.